Hello and welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos to you guys. Today what we've been working on is this Defender 90, and what we've upgraded this particular vehicle with is a brand new radio system, adding loads more functionality like digital radio as well as Bluetooth hands-free as well as streaming. If you're new to our channel, feel free to press the subscribe button below. That will keep you up to date with all our latest videos. We carry out installation videos not just on Defenders but also on other vehicles as well and other installations. So what we're going to be doing is in this particular video talking you through about a little bit of an upgrade that you can have on your Defender. Whether that's a 90 or 110, this system is compatible with both, but we also do the full double DIN conversion, so if you're interested in that, feel free to get in touch. So what I'm going to be talking you through is about the functionality of this particular system. So what you've got is hands-free via Bluetooth. So we've replaced the factory radio in the vehicle with a aftermarket Kenwood unit. Looks really nice, and we can also customize the color scheme to exactly how you want. So it's got variable color control on this unit. So this is a DAB function. With this unit comes with DAB, so it's got CD functionality as well. In terms of DAB, the way that works is you've got two ways of connecting and getting DAB signal into a Defender. We can either reuse your factory antenna, which is located here, using what's called a DAB splitter, or we've got the option of a glass mount antenna, which is the option this particular customer's gone for, which is on the left-hand side of the windscreen. Really both very good solutions. Both add DAB to the vehicle, and that all links through the existing speaker setup. We also do full transformation in terms of the sound systems in these Defenders, whether it's a 90 or 110, and that means front speaker replacements, adding in subs, as well as the soundproofing. That can be found on our Cambridge Car Audio website. When you click under Expert Systems and go to Defender, you'll see all the pricing as well as some different system ideas listed on there, as well as some parts totals as well. So if you're interested, feel free to get in touch. The best way to do that is either by booking an audio consultation live directly on our website. There's a booking platform there for you, or drop us a message on any social media platforms, which should all be listed below. But the main thing you do is subscribe to keep up to date with all our latest videos. So thank you very much. It's a very short video just to show you a very simple little upgrade to a Defender 90 that we've carried out here in Cambridge. Thank you very much, and we look forward to upgrading your Defender soon. Thank you.